You're growing, growing. You're growing, growing. You're growing, growing, growing up this summer.
Hello, campers, and welcome to week 9 of Camp Sparkler. My name is Dana. I'm the Education Director at Sparkler Learning, and I'm your head camp counselor this year. So, this is week 9, and week 9 is a special one for me because it features Benjamin talking with my daughter, Georgia, who was 5 years old at the time, about calming down. And let me tell you, Georgia is an expert in calming down. She has lots of tips and tricks that I hope you'll find useful. After you hear their conversation and listen to the song that they write together, you'll have a chance to play some activities to help you practice calming down and practice some of those tips that Georgia suggests. I hope you have fun this week, and I hope you'll come back and join me again for one more week of Camp Sparkler. And now, here's Tune Up.
Georgia, hello, and welcome to a brand new episode of Tune Up. And for folks listening or watching at home, what is Tune Up? You want to tell them?
It's make your own tune.
And what are we making tunes about? Do you remember?
Calming yourself down and cleaning up.
Yeah, we did for our last song. We did a song about cleaning up and even dancing while you're cleaning up. And for this one, we're going to do a song about calming down. So is that something you've ever had to do, Georgia? Have you ever had to calm down?
Yeah, a lot of times. And sometimes when it's too loud in the classrooms or you need less people, you can go to Janique's office and you can calm down and you can read a book with her.
What are some other things that help you calm down?
You can make a quiet corner.
Yeah, how do you make a quiet corner?
It's easy. You can just find a corner, and if you want it to be a cozy corner, you can just find a corner and put pillows around, and you can put a book or a stuffy or stuff that can make you calm down. Like if you're feeling mad or sad or angry, you can take a break into a quiet corner so you can get happy and calm again. There's also something called the feeling chart.
And you could also use that to help you calm down?
Blue zone is when you're sad, sick, under the weather, tired. Yellow zone is excited, a little out of control. Green zone is calm, happy, ready to learn, ready to play, and also regulated. And there's red zone, which is mad, angry, out of control.
What does it mean to be regulated?
Regulated means like you're calm and you don't want to fight or anything. Sometimes when you're mad, you want to fight.
Yeah, sometimes you feel so angry that you even think about showing that anger with your body. And what I think is great about all these strategies you're talking about,
I have like these fun and bouncy cushions. Sometimes I like to punch the cushions and it helps me get calm instead of hurting anyone or hurting their feelings or anything.
Yeah, because all of those things that you're talking about, they don't hurt anybody else because the cushion is not going to be sad if you're hitting the cushion. And that can really help people who are working on calming down to have some of those strategies. And you know what else you could do, and something you might even be able to do in a quiet corner?
Play music.
Play music. You could hear a song or sing a song about calming down that has a bunch of those ideas you were just talking about in it that I think we could write.
I'm full of great ideas. And when Wesley is sad and crying, when I sing, it helps him calm down.
Oh my goodness. So Wesley is your baby brother. And he's even a little baby, and music already can help him. So our songs that we write together, Georgia, aren't just helping other kids. They could be helping babies. And you know what? They could even be helping grown-ups too, because grown-ups are still working on a lot of these things too, actually. Some other strategies I like to use too to calm down. One of them looks like this.
Taking deep breaths.
Taking deep breaths can really help. Playing a game could even calm you down sometimes, or playing with blocks.
Pirate.
Or playing Pop Pop Pirate.
Is a good way to calm down. There's also another tool. If you don't feel like talking, you can draw a picture how you're feeling. Like if you're mad, you can draw a picture of a mad face. Or if you're sad, you can draw a picture of a sad face and then show it to the people around you.
That is a really great idea. You could draw, and even just that act of drawing, you could even like scribble kind of like really fast with your hand. I imagine if I were angry, that might make me feel a little better. Just like hitting the cushion kind of scribbling with your hand might make you feel better, right?
Yeah. And another frustrating thing is sometimes when I'm drawing with crayons at my home, the crayons snap.
Yeah. Ooh, I have an idea, Georgia. I'm going to pretend I'm a kid and that just happened to me, and you can be the grown-up and tell me what to do, okay?
Yay!
Okay.
Let's pretend to help us solve a problem. Let's pretend to help us write a song.
Coloring. My crayon just snapped. I'm so mad.
Well, you can take a break and
Okay.
you can calm down. You can go to your room. There's lots of choices. Even if you look around you, even if you're in an airplane or a car, you can still relax and take a break.
Thank you.
And
I
there's
think I
another
will.
purple crayon.
Oh, now I think I'm ready to color. Thank you, Georgia. Color. That was great. You did such a great job of calming pretend Kid Benjamin down. You think you're ready to make up a calm down song?
Yeah.
Okay,
You can make the theme music and I can sing the real song.
good idea.
Calm down time, calm down time. If you're feeling a big feeling at a rest time at a school, don't yell, it will be interrupting. It's okay to feel mad, angry, or sad, even if you're in a vehicle. There's ways you can take a nap, take a break. It's okay. It's okay.
Give yourself a round of applause, Georgia. I love that song, and a message we hadn't even talked about. It's okay, I think is really helpful if someone's feeling angry, just to hear it's okay, because that's something you could tell yourself too. I think you said a lot of really great strategies and a really great song that we're going to listen to a finished version of right now.
Calm down time.
Calm down time.
Take a break. Calm down time.
Calm down time.
It's okay.
It's
If you're feeling a big feeling at a rest time in a school, or even if you are in a vehicle, it's okay to feel scared, angry, or sad.
angry or sad.
There are ways you can calm down or even take a nap when it's calm down time.
Calm down time.
Take a break. Calm down time.
Calm down time.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Read a book in a quiet corner. Take a look at a feelings chart. Find the feeling that you're feeling. That can be a very good start. And hit a cushion if you're really angry. Play a game or sing a song. Draw a picture of how you're feeling. You'll be calm before too long when it's calm down time.
Calm down time.
Take a break. Calm down time.
Calm down time.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Take a deep breath. You ready?